Welcome to my new workshop. So this is in addition to my current one, which I use for work. This is a completely fresh unit. As you can see, the place is spotless pretty much. And I'm so excited to get working in this place. This wouldn't have been possible to do this without everyone who's subscribed, liked a video, commented, even watched videos. So massive thank you to everyone who's supported the channel along the way over the last few years. So, this is my new workshop. The main idea behind this one is offices upstairs are actually going to be used by my current business. So, the downstairs here, we'll probably put a ramp in at the end, which we'll use as an overflow for the garage. But the main purpose for me is I'm going to start doing some camper builds. So, if you haven't already, I have another channel called Mark's Campers. Head over there and subscribe, and you'll see what I'll be doing there. Some of it will be full builds, which I've done a few of before, and some of them I'm going to do mini series on buying campers, doing them up, selling them for a small profit. For this channel, for Mark's Wheels, most of my work will now be done in here, in a nice clean place. I'm going to be doing some good stuff in here. As you can see, Pierre the Pontiac is already in. Engine's going to come out of that soon. It's also going to be painted. Engine needs a rebuild. If you didn't see my previous video where we found out the head gasket had gone and the engine's developed a knock, so bit of a disaster there. So yeah, we're going to pull the engine out. We're going to do a complete strip down rebuild with the engine. That's going to be over a few videos because I need to pull the engine apart, find out what we need, order the parts from America, get them shipped over. Shouldn't be too expensive, hopefully. Reassemble it, paint it, go back into the hopefully freshly painted Pontiac. That'll be the very first project that gets done in here. As you can see, my friend Sierra, which I'm sure many of you will have seen in the background of previous videos, is also in here. If you want to see what's going on with the Sierra, put a comment down below and I will do a video just on the Sierra. It's nothing special, but it is a great car. I love this thing. We've been restoring it for the last few years at work, and it is, I don't want to say it's on its final stretch, it's probably on its final lap. We are getting there with it, so excited about that. So yeah, comment below if you want to see that. And that's about it, I think, really. I have got a lot of things to do with my cars, which, like I said, will all be done in here. We will be putting a lift in as well, so we'll be able to do just as much as we've been doing before in here, but at the moment I'll be doing this one on the floor. So yeah, if you haven't done already, subscribe, like the video. Anything you want to ask me, chuck them in the comments below, and yeah, look forward to some more regular videos.